Hey guys, welcome. Vince Tate here from Straight Aim. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to use the SA-1. We have two parts to the SA-1. You've got the chin piece and you've got the SA-1 here. So the chin piece, basically you've got two prongs. They go under your chin, just like that. And once you put it there, you can actually mold it. You just give it a bit of a squeeze and mold it to your chin, just like that. Okay, then on the SA-1 itself, you've got all the little holes in the front. Right, and then there's a big hole at the back. So the little holes face forward, and you just clip it on just like that. It's magnetic, just sits just like that. All right, and you're ready to go. So grab your cue, slide it on just like that. Put your hand where you would normally hold your cue, and just slide it back until it grips. Once it grips, just give it a bit more of a tug, just like that. That's enough. That's all you need, and you're ready to go. Okay, for me, I usually start at about halfway. That's my starting point. And what I do here is really important because you have to apply a lot of force into the chin piece, because we call it the 3-point of contact. So you've got the chin, we've got the hands, and then we've got the chest. So the cue doesn't really go anywhere. If you start rotating the wrist through impact or through feathering, you'll feel it wobbling. And that's the whole idea of the SA-1. It just detects all these flaws. And yeah, so I'll just take you quickly through it. So first, place the front part of the cue on the cushion, just like that. And your hand basically just sits here to stop the cue from sliding away. But it's still sitting on the cushion, okay? And that's purely because we're going to apply a bit of force into the cue. Okay, here we go. So we're down onto it. Hand just holding the cue straight. And then away you go, back and forth. Just like that. You might hear the rail through my microphone. Other than that, it's pretty quiet. Now, once you get the hang of that and becomes natural, then we can put your hand on the table. So I'll give you a demonstration. Here we go. It's that simple, guys. Now, if I start to rotate the wrist, the chin piece will fall off. So there you go. So it's giving you information straight away that you've got either wrist movement or your elbows dropping, head movement. The key to it is really to try and keep it on, keep the chin piece on the SA-1 without it falling off. Once you start to achieve that, especially if you're doing it every day, you're training muscle memory. That's the key, guys. This trains the correct muscle memory. Look, the more you use it, the better you get at it. And then once you're doing this for 5-10 minutes every day, and we no longer need to use it. But it's something that you can always have on the side, because you can always go back to it. If you have a lazy day, you feel your cue action's out, you'll be amazed. I mean, even myself, I mean, I'm a century breaker, many century breaks, but I still use it. I still use the SA-1. Okay, so here we go now. This is my cue action now. Nice and smooth. And it feels the same as if I have the SA-1 on there. So it's pretty easy to use, guys. So good luck with that. Otherwise, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Messenger, anytime. And I'll be there to give you guys a hand. Cheers, thank you.